We've got shirts. Guys, the merchandise is out. It's on LakeMonsterLures.com. I put a lot of thought and ideas and tinkering and all of that stuff into making these shirts, so please go check them out. I hope that you like them. I think they're fantastic. And yeah, anyway, let's get into the video. And this one, I am going to be making an articulated swim bait, jointed swim bait, which they've been tricky in the past, but I think I've got it down. I'm going to be doing a resin mold of it too, because so much carving time goes into it and I just don't want it wasted on one lure alone. So we're going to show you how to do a resin mold or a silicone mold to pour resin into, and show you all the different steps to make your own. So follow along, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Let's go. There it is, the finished lure, you guys. And I am actually really stoked about this. It has the great articulation, meaning that it moves the way that I want. I would hope that it would bend over a little bit more, but with this tail, the feathered treble hook, I think it's gonna look really nice in the water. Yeah, that's the finished design. I am pretty confident in this thing. I think it's gonna get bit. So here's the deal. I'm going to hop on a plane. I am driving. I'm going to be flying to Georgia, and when I'm there, I'm going to do some fishing. I don't think this is going to catch something this early in the season, but we are going to see how it looks. Let's go. We are back in Minnesota, where it is just covered in snow and ice still, but not enough ice to go ice fishing. It's just that funky time of year where it's like you can't ice fish, but you can't open water fish yet. Even if you could, you have to wait till the season opener, because in Minnesota we have regulations against bass fishing until Mother's Day roundabout. It's weird. You're lucky if you don't have that. But anyway, this lure, I think it did really well. The articulation, the swimming action on the surface was really nice. I do wish that it would sink a little bit further, but that's why I have the resin mold. I can make more. Try out different colors. It's all about customization. That's why I do it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe, share it with a friend, because I really want this channel to continue to grow. If you have ideas for future builds, put it in the comments. I really appreciate that. Check out LakeMonsterLures.com. We have apparel, shirts, all that sort of stuff. And yeah, we'll see you on the next Lake Monster video.